iPhone 13 unboxing. One second. I also have the iPhone 13 Pro Max in the new Sierra Blue, iPhone 13 Pro Max in graphite, and the iPhone 13 in gold. That's going to be a really good unboxing. Welcome guys to another video. If you're new here, my name is Awais, and yeah, we're going to be unboxing the iPhone 13 every single color. And I'm going to start off with the classic iPhone 13 in silver, and we'll kind of work our way through all the colors. All the boxing experience is going to be the same anyway. There's no difference in content, just the color. Just fun fact, this video is being recorded in the iPhone 13 Pro Max, so you can see how clear the camera is, how good it is. This at 1.5 times zoom. So yeah, all my videos are always recorded in iPhone, but in HDR by the way. So let me know what you think of the quality. Let's start with iPhone 13 in silver. Really slim box compared to the previous iPhones. There's no cellophane covering the iPhone box, so Apple has removed that completely to help with recycling. This time round you get tabs, and I do like removing these tabs. So if we start with this, and you have one down here as well. Okay, so that looks absolutely stunning. This is the silver. This is so big compared to the previous gen iPhone cameras. I mean, the lens are massive. I'm gonna put this to one side. So you get the usual, the Apple booklet. Inside the Apple booklet you get the pin ejector tool, the terms and condition, and a white Apple sticker, and of course the lightning cable. Just gonna power this on. So with iOS 15 we get a new startup screen, which is really cool. It's just like the iMacs and the MacBooks. So there you go. Let's move on to the iPhone 12 Pro Max Sierra Blue. While that is being set up, I'm really excited about this color. This is a new color in the iPhone Pro Max range. Again, box is exactly the same. Super excited for this one. Wow. Wow, I really like this color. That looks amazing. Okay, put this to one side. Right, so yeah, just got the booklet, the cable, that's all the same. Let's have a look at the gold iPhone Pro. So again, we've got a gold writing, gold logo. Put this on the side. Wow. But every time you open an iPhone, doesn't matter whether the design is exactly the same, it just feels really nice to hold a new iPhone. I've actually never owned a gold iPhone before. Wow, I mean, look at that. That looks amazing. So quick look at the content, same thing, booklet, cable. Let's just get this unwrapped. Put this to one side. Finally, the graphite iPhone 12 Pro Max. Yeah, this looks really cool. I do like the dark grey color look. Right, let's see. Whoa. Okay, I do love this. This is like the classic silver and grey or space grey. Put this to one side. Again, nothing different. Apple keeping the trend. And there you guys have it. iPhone 13 Pro with the iOS 15 OS. Absolutely stunning phone, absolutely crazy. Let me just quickly show you all the colors. So what do you guys think? What is your favorite color? I mean, I have to say I do like this new Sierra Blue. Of course the graphite and the silver, the gold, they've always been there, but for some reason, I mean, because it's brand new and it's polished, my god, I mean, just look at that shine on the side bezel. Wow, incredible. Let me know in the comments below what color you like. What do you guys think of the design? I mean, nothing has changed from the previous iPhone Pro Max. The only thing that has changed are the camera modules. They're a lot larger. So just to compare the modules and to give you a rough idea, you can really tell Camera size has increased, definitely protruding out more. Camera has completely changed on the iPhone 13 Pro, a lot larger, better in low light, and they have a new cinematic mode in the camera settings, and that is a game changer. I mean, if you're using your iPhone constantly for videos, for photos, then I think this is a great feature to have. I mean, it's gonna make your video looks incredible. So let me know in the comments below, guys, what is your favorite color? What are you gonna get? iPhone 12 Pro, 12 mini, 12 Pro Max? You know, there's so many different phones, but let me know in the comments below. Anyway, I'm super excited, and let me know what you guys want to see next, because I'm going to make more videos. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this iPhone 13 review. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.